Today I'm going to be giving a demo on how to use the Explorer with an Eco Risk Projector. So you can think of the Explorer similar to your file system on your computer. So you've got folders, which you can have folders within folders, and then you have files within those. So in this case, files are simply systems and models. And once you have that set up, you can interact with it by copying, moving, deleting, renaming, and also see information about these objects. So the author and the modified date and the name, etc. So you can, in the Eco Risk Projector Explorer, search. So in this case, I might want to search for anything with demo in the name, and it will give me everything within my file system that has some part of the name matching this, including the location. If I was then to navigate to it, for example here, you see we're now in this demo folder, which is just at the first level under the root. And you saw there, once you start navigating through, the breadcrumbs update with the path, and you can navigate back to the start by simply clicking on the root or the arrow. Now, in order to create a new folder, you simply hit this new button, and then you want a folder. So if we create a demo folder, now within this folder will come up in the root of the file system. We can navigate in. If we want to create another folder in here, we can create it in here, and now we have a second folder. And you can see how you can create any sort of folder structure required in order to nicely store your project data. So now I might decide I don't want this folder. For any individual item, you can interact through delete, copy, move, or edit. For a folder, that allows you to enter the name. So perhaps we need to rename this to demo3. I can do that. I can copy it. I can copy it to any location, including other folders, or into the root. So here, if I decide to copy demo3 and I navigate back to the root, we see now we have a copy of demo3. I might decide that actually I don't want that in here. I want to move it somewhere else. Perhaps I then move into pre-configured demo. And now in pre-configured demo, I've got this folder, and I decide, actually, I don't want it anymore. I can delete it and it will remove it. Now, when you're copying and moving folders, anything that's contained in that folder will be moved. For example, if I was to go ahead and move pre-configured demo into demo, it will do so, and it will be including all of its internal items. I can then go and actually, I want to move that back simply to the root where it was before, and I can do that, and it's moved back and it still contains all its items. And then finally, you can perform bulk actions. So if, for example, I wanted to delete everything at once, I can select everything, delete, copy, or move them, and I can also then make a small selection that still contains multiple items in one go. So that is an overview of the Explorer in Eco Risk Projector and how to use it to set up your folder structure in a good way that you can easily maintain and manage.